In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google Workspace account admin. This process is essential if you need to clean up your accounts or transfer responsibilities to a new admin. Before we dive in, ensure you have the necessary permissions to perform this task, as only certain account roles can make these changes. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Workspace. This step is straightforward, but it's important to highlight that accessing the right account is crucial, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Ensure you're using the one associated with the workspace you intend to update. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. A list of your accounts might appear, and here is where you should select the one you want to work with. Remember, accuracy at this step is vital because any changes will directly affect this chosen account settings. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Security is a priority here, so double check you're using the correct password for the account you've selected. Once done, click on Next to proceed. You will then see a grid-like icon, often referred to as the square dots icon, located at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this is your gateway to accessing various Google apps and features, one of which is the admin console. When you click on the square dots icon, look for and select the admin console. This is where you control all administrative functions. If you have trouble locating it, remember it's typically represented by a shield icon. Once inside the admin console, direct yourself to the account section. Navigating through the admin console may seem overwhelming at first, with numerous options available, but focusing on the account section will keep you on track. Following this, head to the account settings. Here you'll be dealing with more specific and sensitive changes, so proceed with caution to avoid unintended adjustments to other settings. Within the account settings, you will find the account management option. It is here that you can manage and modify the fundamental aspects of your Google Workspace account, including the admin roles. Finally, you'll see the option to delete account. Selecting this prompts the permanent removal of the admin role. However, a crucial step before you can do this is to cancel any active subscription linked to the account. Google allows account deletion only after subscription cancellations to ensure a clean and uncontested transition. Once the subscription is cancelled, you can safely proceed with deleting the account. Remember, these actions have significant implications, so be sure to review your changes before confirming them. That wraps up our instructions on removing a Google Workspace account admin. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.